I'll call the police. I'll just drive straight to a police station, actually.
Good, I hope they're nice and close, man.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
You're starting to feel a little
Go ahead.
now, tough guy?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. What's wrong? I thought you were following me. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? He did nothing to my car. Bitch.
Oh, okay. That car did. I don't know what her deal is. It's like an old lady. Yeah.
God component of it somewhere in somebody's heart, that the person that gave the money was feeling led to do so, you know, because I love when that is part of things.
And even if there isn't, you know, that video of Courtney explaining her story that we just played, that video went viral.
Yeah.
It got like 3 million views.
Wow.
So who knows what it could help with other people, how it could inspire them.
Well, I know what it's going to lead to. Now...
Oh! Oh!
This is fine because that 118-wheeler going all over the place here. Oh, what? Whoa.
Sorry, too late.
Download the Zigazoo app today.
Don't miss it. 2025 QX80 coming this summer.
You know,
Jesus Christ.
Presents a new chapter in luxury, the premiere of the all-new 20.
Rick!
Feet on the trying to wrap my head around.
Alright, Autopilot, navigation, FSD, whatever it's called. First time it's going to try to get on an entrance ramp. I'm not touching it, but it turns to go on by itself. It's turning. I'm not touching it. Oh, this is so weird. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, it's accelerating. Oh my god. Okay. It's doing it. Getting up to highway speed. It's gonna have to merge in a second. Really nervous about that. There's a semi truck right to my left. Let's see what it does. Alright, semi truck. I'm gonna ram. Oh, it's braking hard. Oh, it's gonna wreck itself. Oh, it's gonna wreck itself. Oh, it didn't. That was really freaking scary. I guess if I hadn't just done a track day, I might have really freaked out. Alright. Back to normal, I guess.